Welcome back to Cooking with Cody. Today we're going to show you how to cook a pizza. First thing we're doing to prevent any messes is put down some aluminum foil. So next what we're going to do is we're going to put some more aluminum foil on the cookie sheet. So today we're actually going to be cooking two, not one, but two pizzas. Because as you can see, they're kind of small. So next we're going to unbox the pizza. And then please don't forget to un-plastic wrap it, because you don't want that in your food, believe me. Make sure, kids, if you're doing this, that you have an adult guardian watch, because you don't want to have any burns or accidents. And here are the two pizzas on the tray. Now we're preheating the oven for the pizzas. Thanks to my adult guardian. You're welcome. Look at the steam coming off of it already. Or the cold air, technically. And I wait. Now my guardian is going to set the cook time. And my guardian's about to put it into the oven. "11 minutes left. I'm trying to be patient." And now we wait. Just 10 more minutes. Maybe I'll catch up on some emails. 7 minutes. We're getting there. "5 minutes. I can already taste it." Good to have clean hands before you eat your food. Just gonna sit here and wait a moment. It's the final countdown for the pizza being ready. Ta-da! These are the two pizzas.